Hi guys, and today I'm going to be playing Keon Air Flight Simulator with Ella.
Hi. I was in her previous video.
But I had to delete it because it was being really awkward. And I'm going to try something because something didn't work before. Come on. Load!
Oh my god, I could be the pilot.
Yeah, but it costs some Robux.
No, thank you.
Am I still
joined.
recording?
I can't,
Hi! Oh my gosh, why?
I reset. No, the plane's leaving.
I have admin commands.
The plane's leaving, Sylvie.
So, okay, I can just fly to it.
No, don't, because I know I won't be able to board the plane.
I will try to give you admin.
No, the plane left.
What? No. Okay, so, and we're gonna have like a social
Could you me?
Depends if there's, sorry, for admin card.
Just say admin IL_. I found a plane.
Okay.
God.
No.
Fly.
I wouldn't be able, I can fly me.
Do fly.
Okay, fly.
Okay.
Let's come on. Admin!
No, not allowed to run. Just do.
I did.
No.
Oh, something or. Oh, allow.
Pilot.
I am pilot. I'm pilot.
I can't move.
I am pilot. So this
There you
way.
are.
I'm pilot. Wait. Is this your passenger? I'm pilot. Okay. I'm passenger. Oh. Okay.
Right.
Now.
We.
Zoom.
We will zoom. Thank you. Did you?
Okay.
Yes. No.
I'm helicopter. I can spot. I just hit the thing.
Crash.
I want to clip.
Okay.
Yeah. Looking on the air. I got it. I can't do it. No, it worked. Okay, that's better.
Ready? Okay. So, you fly.
I want, because I have. Go away.
Look how far. Look, so look.
Players.
You play.
Jump studio, please. Yes, boy.
What?
In this.
Oh my god, help!
Invisible.
Oh my god.
I'm
playing.
In us. You know what? I'm just. Yes.
Yes, boys.
I know I could have.
Ooh.
Okay, this is good. It is still.
How has that been 3 minutes?
I don't know. It's been longer. I know it's been longer. Right. Okay. Whatever. It's probably just because it's slow. Welp. Thank you.
A bittersweet baby.
Okay. Whatever. Oh right. I didn't know I had that many followers.
Come on.
I'm coming. This has been so long.
Intermission. Oh my god, I done the splits and it looks very.
Okay, I'm thinking of doing like a fan video or something because
You don't
I
have
feel
any
nice.
though.
I know, but when I do, because right now I'm just fanless. Badge award.
It's a blast.
That's
Oh Jesus Christ!
Jeez, calm down.
Sorry. There was a really big bomb.
Even
And I
I'm
could've
not that
sworn-
intense.
Oh frick.
I am in
need
this
that soda.
game.
Yes! I got pizza!
Oh my god,
Pizza.
what? Oh gosh. This has been so long since I've been on. Apparently I fly now. Okay.
Oh Jesus Christ. Right, spectate me.
Bomb it. One and two.
Do you want to die?
Ah.
Out of this coins. Load. Coins.
Enough with. I have for some reason this. It looks like a superhero. It may be.
This guy is
Born a broken. What's this?
That's just
Okay, we're gonna.
That's
Yeah, cause I lost it.
Okay.
Yeah, but I just got into that. I've been told to one. Oh, so dead. F. There we go. Oh, I'm so that's it was something hitting.
Spawned it.
Okay. I'm bad at this one.
A bit loud. Sorry, I was just make this go.
Okay.
5 health.
You have ways than me.
Big table. Wait.
I did. I left that. I just did it in July. That's embarrassing. What was that? Laugh boy. I don't know. I say anything. I've 100. Ouch. Why say ouch? Oh. Good. I didn't actually lose any health though. What? I went into
Bomb.
Yeah.
25 health.
How I lost any health? What? I mean, I don't want to, but he just bombed right of me.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no!
Yes,
No.
Even 1,000 T down. Like for so lag, but
Same time.
God, win-win sitting.
Yeah, my Ella's okay. Not dead.
Mom.
I should have.
Oh my God. I need to. Oh God, fudge cake.
A bubble bath. This cause I need healing.
Oh, I feel good.
Ah! Healed.
Oh, you should be happy.
Yes, I'm.
Did you lose her?
Oh, 15.
This new.
Did he? I've won.
Me.
But I drew all the ones.
Basically to 100 health.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, 50. I found this thing and.
If you die, you can't.
No. Oh God, I will.
Oh God. No.
Okay.
One.
Right.
Oh gosh. I see a thing. I don't see any. Yanks. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I see what.
Dead. Not dead.
Jesus.
Oh.
Yeah. One. Right.
Oh my God.
I might buy another.
Wait.
Oh, clear. Gain a short fist.
Right. I think I'm gonna end the episode here, or whatever it is.
It's been
Video.
7 minutes.
So see you later, I guess. Bye.